Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial with me, your girl Latoya. Today I'm going to show you a 3-in-1 Afro style that is quick and easy to achieve. So first I'm just going to part from ear to ear, just to section off the back portion of my hair. Now I will be using my colored rubber bands and my hair gel wax to achieve this look. You can use whatever hair gel that works better with your natural hair, but I'm just showing you the gel that I'll be using for this video. So now I'm just gonna put a triangular shape at the front of my hair, apply my gel wax, and just to use my old toothbrush just to lay my hair down. And then I'm going to secure that portion with a rubber band. I will then twist the end of the hair to prevent it from being tangled up. Now I'm going to form another triangle but going in the opposite direction. What I like to do is to apply the gel to my parted scalp and retrace that parted section so I can get the part as neat and tidy as possible. So now I'm just going to continue this pattern right throughout the entire front section of my hair. So with the remaining portion of my hair, I'm just going to go in with some triangular partings again. And what I want to do is to attach the hair that I've already placed in rubber bands to those remaining sections. So I'm just detangling and applying my gel to my hair. Then what I'm going to do is to undo the top twist here, then apply my gel onto the hair just to get it as flat as possible, and I'm going to connect this portion of my hair to the parted section at the back. So what I want to do is to form some X patterns in my hair. So I'm just going to apply my gel wax to this portion of my hair, take it up and across, and attach it to the parted section at the top. And as you can see, I'm using different color rubber bands just to get the effect that I want. I'm going to go back to the other section of my hair and I'm going to do the very same pattern. And what I like to do is to make sure that the rubber band, the colors of the rubber band matches the placement of the rubber bands on the other section of my hair. So now time to go into the middle. What I'm going to do is to continue the same triangular pattern of parting. Then I'm going to undo the twist to the very first pattern that we created, and with that twist I'm going to separate it into two. So now that the hair is separated, I'm going to take each piece of hair and I'm going to stretch it across over to the parted section that we have at the top. Now for the last two twisted patterns that we have here, we're going to attach it to the portion that is parted in the middle. So now that I'm finished with the front section of my hair, I'm just going to retrace my edges with some got-to-be glue. Use my old toothbrush just to sweep it in, and I'm just going to tie my hair down just to let it set. So guys, now it's time to show you the different ways in which you can rock this hairdo. So let's get into it. So guys, this is the last style in my 3-in-1 Afro tutorial. Guys, if you loved this video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. You can also post in the comment section to let me know which Afro hairdo did you like the best. You can also hit that subscribe button if you have not yet done so to be a part of the Lyming family. Please to go ahead also to hit that notification bell so you can be updated as to when I post my next video. Guys, as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!